Here is interesting app which is called Audm app. So let's just try to install it and see why is that app trending and why it's like number 3 in magazines and news charts on the US App Store in the whole United States. The best journalism spoken aloud. Audm presents the world's best long-form journalism read aloud word for word by celebrated audiobook narrators. Listen to many hours worth of new stories every week from publication including New York Times, New Yorker, Atlantic, Wired, New Republic, BuzzFeed, Vanity Fair, and then you can see all of the editions here. Of course, there are more magazines and newspapers added. Add stories to your playlist, then listen on the go even without no connection. You can download them as well. Of course, you need to have a paid subscription. And then there is a free trial. And then, you can cancel a subscription in standard way if you cancel any subscription on iOS. If you just go to Settings app, iTunes and App Stores, Apple ID, and then you can see your subscriptions. Anyhow, let's just open the app and see what is it about. So articles from top publications voiced by world-class narrators. So to create an account, I can just sign in with Apple ID. That's what I like to do mostly because for me it's the fastest way, actually. And then here is a subscription. Here you can subscribe actually, and there is a big trial, free trial for 14 days where you can try it out. So you can just choose the plan, access the best publication in the world. You will not be charged until the free trial ends and cancel anytime. Of course, if they cancel anytime, there are standard iPhone terms, which means that you still need to cancel. If the trial is 14 days, you need to cancel after a maximum 13 days. So in the end of 13 days, you need to cancel. And if you cancel on 14 days, I think you still will be charged. So that's just FYI for you, just for your information to understand. And then let's just see. And then you can see the subscriptions. And then you may cancel a subscription, and then let's see if it can be possible. Okay. Anyway, this was just like an example for you. I will try to do another video, but as you can see, there is no an option to create free account or just to browse the library or anything. But the idea of the app is very neat, that you can, listen to the articles. And a lot of apps are focusing on this voice experience where, some people like reading, a lot of people like watching videos, and especially younger generation. And a lot of people like the article to be listened to, not just read. And especially cool if it's like the cool narrator, and for example there is some like cool analytical article or any type you like from the New Yorker, some like big overview, and sometimes it can be great experience to listen to it instead of reading. So then I think this is great app, great approach, and it's going into this audio wave. There are so many like audio apps which are popping up right now, and so that's basically the idea. Try it out. It's not it's not on the cheaper side. As you can see, $5 per month. It's like it's not like price of Netflix subscription, but also it's not like $1 per month. So it's like this price you need to pay if you really think you will use this app at least few times per month. And so try it out. In the bottom, if you want, you can delete your account. You can see like this red text, but just for your information, if you delete an account, your subscription usually is not cancelled. So you need to cancel a subscription first, and then you will be able to delete your account.